just do a self-assessment for the year. You'd be like, how do I do this year? Am I better than I was on January 1st? Our last topic Tuesday for 2021 is week 30, dude. We've been doing this 30 weeks. Whoa!
Oh, wow.
Win-win.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Win, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
So
It's awesome.
tonight we're gonna be going over 3 tips on how to end your trading year strong. It's not all about getting the next best move. Sometimes it's good to just pump the brakes, take a little break, and do some inner work or things outside of the chart. So let me go and share my screen here. You guys can see that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So three tips to close your trading year strong, 2021. A little meme for entertainment. I've seen your Facebook statuses. You're good.
That's awesome.
But I was excited doing this because 2021 has been it's been long, man. Lots of stuff happened, bruh, this year. Yeah.
Yeah.
252.
And the market wise,
Yeah,
yeah,
market wise,
definitely.
news, everything. So like
So much has changed.
I listed some highlights from this year. I mean, if you guys have any things that comes to mind, please share. Well, we have 252 trading days out of 365. If you look at the total return for S&P or Nasdaq, it's ranging from 22 to 24%. Meaning, if you just bought a position in the Nasdaq and just let it do its thing, you would have made 22% without doing anything. Other things to consider that happened in 2021 was GameStop, right? Wall Street Bets, Reddit, all them. That happened in January, February, I think, dude. Yeah.
Oh, that earlier? I thought
Yeah.
it feels so recent, kind of like
No.
summertime. I don't know, but maybe.
I
I
think
don't know
I
the
think
date. Yeah.
yeah, I think it was end of January. That's when it happened.
Okay.
AMC as well, AMC stock.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, right. So those guys just went ridiculous. I forgot to put the return amount that they had. It was like 300% or something.
Oh,
That was
damn.
crazy for
For them.
those market moves. And then Robinhood, I forgot to mention Robinhood. They grew, but they got hacked. They had to halt trading. So that was only in first quarter.
That was
uh,
nuts.
Shiba, freaking crypto just came out of nowhere. 65,684,000% gain.
Oh, and dude, I just had a random thought. Um, Robinhood had their IPO this year too.
Yep, IPO for
So a lot of
Robinhood.
IPOs, highly anticipated IPOs came out.
Didn't Coinbase have their IPO, or that was already out there?
So maybe.
While he's looking that up, freaking Dogecoin went up. I
April
got
2021.
was
So yeah, they're recent. But sorry, man. Sorry to throw off your jab.
Oh no,
Continue.
all good, bro.
You're
All good.
your
Um,
flow.
I'm going back. I'm just looking at the chart real quick for Bitcoin price. For the beginning of the year. Oh shoot, cancel. Let me share this. So Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin futures. We started around 26,000. Started 2021. Well, you know what? 2021 actually. Yeah, like 28,000. Peaked up to 69. We are currently trading at 49,000. Almost a double return. Which is good. I mean, yeah. What a ride just this year. What
Good.
a
Look at
ride.
the movement though. There's good movement there. It's beginning to come to it into its own. It's
Yeah.
stable. Looks
Higher
stable.
low, higher low. I mean, yeah, higher low, higher high.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a new higher low here, 45,000.
Hopefully.
But yeah, that's Bitcoin. Crypto went crazy. Crypto price flash what last week? Everyone was rich. NFTs blew up. Everyone and their mama has NFTs.
I wish I did. I do
Yeah.
not.
Inflation. That one I think last like summer and or people started realizing it and like later in the year, yeah, 2021 towards the
Yeah.
end of the year.
I think all the like finance reports started coming out. That's why into releasing to the public, and they're realizing how much it increased.
Yeah, yeah,
What 6%, right?
6% average overall. You know,
Mm,
I think one of the lowest was real estate, or no, I
really?
mean
Wow.
like rent wise, like the biggest change. You know,
I
um,
see. It kind of stayed
yeah,
the same.
yeah, like commodities skyrocketed.
Yeah.
But it's crazy. So like I want to let me go share this. Like let's talk about like commodities, right? So in the lumber's future market, or let's see, let me go bring up a futures chart. Lean hogs. So lean hogs. It's a futures contract. They were trading all the way up, like they're making new highs um, in the beginning of February this year, and it just kept going up and up, and nobody was talking about this big price increase because this represents like pigs, right? Um, Bacon. Nobody was talking about that until
Lumpia.
and then recently until like people. I think it started to trickle down to the actual stores, and then it started affecting the mass public, right? So let's look at even oil too. Oil. I mean, from a technical standpoint, oil, where are we at? Beginning of the year, it's already been on the uptrend, you know, and nobody was bitching at the time, at the moment, I think. Beginning of the year about gas prices. So that's just like small, a visual correlation of like how commodities or pricing like reflects before we actually see it at the supermarket or the gas pump. Go back to my share screen. So yeah, I mean like there's a lot that happened this year. A lot. So going back to the three tips, um, with these current market conditions, right? Trades won't always be available. No worry, beef curry. Put the FOMO aside. um, yeah, it's okay to step away from the charts. Oh, little typo there, but you want to look at the current market conditions. I mean, the indices side, it did move. Not so much on the forex side. So you just be patient, right? Don't force the trades. You don't want to blow your year out. If you're in profit this year, right, for the year, like there's what five, maybe five trading days left in the year. Don't blow it, dude. Take your win. You don't know what's gonna happen. And so you don't wanna force it. You wanna get disciplined on confirming the signals for your entries and exits. So if those few things, and if you have the right trade, go for it, right? If the stars align, if you had that USD CAD trade like Reed had, or the Euro USD, like those ideal setups once in a you catch it once or twice a year kind. Yeah, yeah. There's still opportunities, but don't mean you gotta go heavy. So you wanna and you're trading your good on a positive note. Self reflect. This one This one's always good, right? So we got like just looking at the markets, looking at it in a good perspective where you're not forcing things. Then you want to go back and like just do a self assessment for the year. You know, you'd be like, you know, how do I do this year? Am I better than I was on January 1st? You know, um, you want to measure like, okay, this is the time to go look at the journal, right? The trading journal. Pull that out, go over some trades, and go over reassessing, start measuring out. Be like, okay, this is my performance past 3 months. Am I Does it look like what I'm supposed to be doing, or am I going way off, right? Take those into consideration, and then you want to move forward, right? So journaling, this can even include like learning, right? If you want to just take the time to go read some books or watch some videos, do some training, whatnot. This is it. This is the time. The last two weeks of the year, a lot of successful people use this to really plan out their 2022. I know, like Damon John, Shark Tank guy, he's already planning like August 2022. You know, like that's how far ahead he is already. He knows where he's gonna be. And so that's a freaking little hack for us to utilize. Be like, you know what? We can't control the markets, but we can control the actions that we take. So if it is a goal to go ahead and you know, start something new, start a new habit, wake up earlier, uh, dedicate X amount of time to learning or trading or the charts, building in new habits, dude. It's the time to do it. You got any tips for that, Reed?
Yeah, one thing I found is writing down things really helped me like get the goals done, and just you see growth too with what you wrote. You could look back and see what you wrote. It's good
Oh
to
yeah,
time to reflect. Like the first point, you reflect on everything you wrote. So I think when you're doing this process, always write things down, especially like writing goals, and then visualize. It's another one. So and hard work.
hard work, hard work.
Move
Harry?
forward is hard work.
Yeah. Now that you mentioned goals, yes, set realistic goals for 2022. You want to look ahead. Um, Write down goals and targets. You know, those are two different things I've learned. Goals and targets are two different things, right? Goals is the overall bigger picture. How do you want your ultimate lifestyle to be? Um, what kind of big impact you want? Targets is like your stepping stones. All right, I wanna make 20 grand from trading next year. Okay, cool. What kind of trading returns are you looking for? You know, like yes, you can have one good solid month and bring in a lots of big returns, but you know, is that according to your plan, right? Is that is that according to your style? Is that according to your risk management? Right? You hear a lot of people, especially on social media, man. It almost gives like a misconception for the people who don't really know how it is, you know. So going back to like the autumn gold track record, like those guys, those are real track records, and those should be a nice, realistic view of how trading really is, right? And so having good targets, right? If you want to go back to writing stuff down, you got to be intentional when you write it down. You got to be like you can't like I would love to say, oh yeah, I'm gonna be a super baller next year, just trading. I'm gonna write that down. 10 million bucks next year, guarantee.
Yeah.
But say if that was my goal, right? Say that was my goal. Targets looks like I would have to bring in 2.5 mil per quarter. What kind of trading account would I need to have, what kind of leverage would I be doing, like all those different things. Those would be the targets, right? Maybe I'm thinking wrong. Maybe I just need to go find someone that'll let me manage their money so I can go make, you know, if you're managing $100 million, making 10 million is only 10%. Bang. And so yeah, setting realistic goals. Those are super cool to do the exercise. And like what Reed said, go when you're reflecting, you get to see it in action, dude. You get to see like, yeah, I wrote that down, and that brings a freaking cool feeling of like accomplishment. And as I look back on my goals this year, we did pretty damn good.
Hell yeah, brother. That's what I like to hear.
Yes, yes. There are definitely lots of wins this year for myself and Key. Sure for you and Reed yourself, dude. You probably got some lots of wins, but
Yeah. Yep, definitely.
yeah, take that. I mean, I use here like I
Even the
what I
small
use
ones.
what I do. Here's what I do. Um, so like we're coming at the end of 2021. I get out a notebook and I just write down month by month. What's the highlight of that month? What did we accomplish that month? Or what did we do? Who did we meet? What do we feel? And I just went down month by month. So starting from January, what's my highlight? And so like I would do that. And by the end of freaking like pages later, you reach to the end of December. You're like, whoa, you start flipping your mindset, your perspective. You start because you're focusing on the wins, not the losses. I mean, yes, you have to acknowledge the losses, but when you're focusing on the wins, you start building momentum for yourself, and you're like, dude, yeah. Then you can go ahead and set some new targets and new goals. You can still pull up old goals and be like, yeah, I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna continue on like from, getting my ass to the gym every day. That's the goal. That's the target for me. So, yeah, that's a cool
That
exercise
is
I've learned.
it's a good one. I like that exercise, man. That's I don't do that as often, but yeah, it's something I want to start implementing then 2022.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Reviewing it like every highlights of every month. That's solid.
yeah. Just do it once. All you gotta do is once. Like you just recap yourself.
Yeah.
Do it yourself, and then you can even if you do it with your spouse, even better, right? That way,
Yeah.
both of you guys are freaking just winning. Woo!
Yeah. On the same levels.
Same
Yes,
level,
sir.
man. Yes, sir.
Cool.
So yeah, but yeah, man. I mean, as far as that, Topic Tuesday. Enjoy the holidays, man. That is it, man. Like freaking
Bravo, bro. Way to wrap the
yeah.
year up, man.
That is a wonderful way. I mean, we're excited for what's next. What next year is to come, dude. Big things, big
Yep.
things.
Yes.
Easy.
Yeah, guys, go in the new year with goal oriented mindset. And then from there, you just got to put in the work, tack those goals on, those targets, like Glenn was talking about. And you'll see a lot of progress. So, yeah.
Yeah. And I want to give a freebie. One more. We listed 3 tips. Here's a fourth. Get in the community. That's gonna help you. You
Yeah.
know, help
You like
yourselves, help
minded guys.
ourselves. Like our community at Hawaii Trading Academy. Because we are
Yeah.
moving all together and to get better, get better overall. So definitely find a community that fits you and join. And you don't want to be this journey alone. You don't have to approach it alone. So that's what we're here for. As your I don't know, teachers, mentors, your guides into the market. That's what we're here doing. Reed and I are doing here at Hawaii Trading Academy. So definitely join in, take the action. Don't wait till January 1st to create a resolution. Start
Start
eating
now.
healthy.
Start today.
Start today, dude. Start today because there's a saying: how you end the year is how you begin the year. I mean, it's kind of. But the way there's levels, there's deep meanings to that.
Yeah.
That's the way I'm trying to portray it as. It's not. So, with that being said, guys, thanks for joining in. We are officially closing the Trading Topic Tuesday for 2021 as we exit out, and we will restart the Trading Topic Tuesday, I think January 4th. We went over this. January 4th, yes. 2022. Okay. Be there, be square. Same time, same place. We're going to be doing updates in the Mighty Network. So if you haven't joined there yet, feel free to join and get the latest news. But on top of that, you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Stay safe. Enjoy this time with the fam.